Alright, so basically the first step you're going to want to do is come up here to this little thing right there, hit about this Mac. Bring this over here. Basically tells you what kind of memory you have. Hit more info. Basically you click right here on memory and it shows you contains 4 memory slots, each of which can be put in with that kind of memory right there. 2 memory slots in use, 2 available. There's this memory upgrade instructions right here. If you whip that out, brings you to the web page. How to remove and install memory, just right on their website. Mine's a 27-inch iMac, mid 2011. Basically it just kind of shows you how much you could put in. This is the type that I got right here, right there. Picked this up at Best Buy. That stuff made for Mac. So I got a total of 8 extra gigabytes, 2 4 gigabyte sticks. And so turn off your computer, disconnect all cables, place soft clean towel on desk or other flat surface to prevent scratching. Hold the sides of the computer and slowly lay the computer face down. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the RAM access door on the bottom of the computer. Remove access door and set aside. Untuck the tab. Insert new RAM. After you insert it, press it into the slot. Should be a slight click. And you should be good to go. Turn it back on. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. So basically I'm just going to come up here and yeah. Alright, here we are on the back of the Mac. I just kind of got this thing just chilling, laying face down on my bed. So anyhow, got the properly sized screwdriver right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and uh-oh. There we go. Ended up having to get a bigger screwdriver. So there we are. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swap this little 2 gigabyte stick to the bottom, and then I'm going to put this 4 gigabyte stick on top of it. So we have both of those. Put that one on the bottom. This one on the top, basically just so it gets to that one first. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but that's just kind of my thinking. And yeah, so basically just kind of pop these back in. think that works pretty good. Make sure it's in there all the way. Tuck these little flaps back in there. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this bad boy back in. Alright, so you plug it back in, and you go to that about this Mac. There you go, 12 gigabytes of RAM. So pretty easy way to speed up your computer.